Yeah, I started a PhD in theoretical astrophysics. And we try to work on astrophysical jets. It's like emissions from certain bodies like neutron stars and so on. In order to do that, we started with the most basic assumption. We have like, a couple of electrons in the system that they go around this thing and then are emitted. And the emission or the beam or the jet consists of like one electron.
Okay.
And you start working with the equations and or the physical laws. There is this idea of an analytical solution. An equation can have solutions that you can find out with certain theorems, and you get exact numbers, real numbers, okay? So it can be 1.33333, that's a real number. And you end up with some solutions that you can fit into that equation, and it satisfies the equation. You cannot solve them. They are not solvable.
Okay.
So you have to go through other means of solving them. Stuff like, it's called the Monte Carlo method. When you start putting random numbers until you get a good approximation from one side being equal to the other. You have a variable x, and you try different values for it until you get something that
makes sense.
Closely satisfies that equation. That's called the Monte Carlo method. And even for the case with the 1 and 2 electrons, we couldn't have an analytical solution for that equation we ended up with.